Guess where we're at?
We're at the Wally World.
W Mart. What you gotta do, what you gotta do. So like if you was like a serious like vlogger, this is what you would look like in the store.
Like a freaking freak.
You know what I'm saying? Like a freak, yeah. You just like walk around. Just like walk around in the store with your camera up. So Gigi's doing silver.
No. He's doing two ones, black and white and gold.
Black and white and gold. Black, white, and gold is the theme.
Oh, these are cute for the tables. We should get these. As like, you know.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
Aren't they cute?
For like keepsakes.
Yeah, and you'll just put like a flower, fake flower in there.
Fake flower.
How about these? You put them outside on the tables.
You see that?
That's cute, ain't it? Oh, I like this. Or this one. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's nice too. Just put it on the center of the table.
You could put you put candles in here.
Okay,
and
okay.
Blow up.
So are you just like window shopping, or you gonna nail something down?
No, I'm just trying to get the thoughts of how I want the table and stuff.
Right. So this how they would be like this, look. So you're picking up the invitations then?
Oh, that's cute.
Are you picking up the invitations?
Yeah, this one got them.
So I need a camera. I don't know which camera is the best. Hey, you gotta replay that. Which one you wanted for your office?
I wanted this one right here. What is this?
Dang. We need that.
100 emergency.
We need that right here.
Every time I yell at you, you're gonna be like, "Let me go get the emergency."
Let me see. I need an emergency right now.
You're gonna be like, "Emergency."
More thoughts about anxiety
Emergency. See, this is how I
and
wanted.
beyond anxiety.
This is how I wanted her to do her
Hey,
power.
how do you feel? How do you feel? I'm gonna do a prank on the kids.
What kind of prank are you?
I don't know, but I'm just gonna get creative. But this wind up funny face and this funny teeth right here, I think I'm gonna get them.
All right, well, come on
I'm
then.
gonna get them. This wind up funny face and the funny teeth, yeah, I'm gonna get them, babe. Yeah, I'm gonna get them. Oh, let's go. Hey, should I get that book?
No, for what?
The 100 Savior? So guys, I really came through this time. So I got this wind up funny face, as you can see. And dare me. So at our next stop, where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to Michael's.
So we're going to Michael's, and this is how I'm gonna come through.
I'm not walking with you, honestly.
For real?
For real.
Really? Come on.
You better walk behind me, bro.
Dude.
You better walk behind me.
Come on, bro.
I'm not playing no games.
Bro.
I'm gonna ski up out of there.
Come on, bro.
For real.
We gotta go in there.
Gonna look
Gotta
like
go in there showing some love.
Alright, what are you gonna say? Are you gonna change your voice?
No, I'm just gonna be like, how you doing? It's
Let me
gonna
see.
be me. It's gonna do me.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, you gotta change your voice. You're like, hi guys. Do that.
Look, everybody's staring at me.
Hi guys.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
That
Hello.
definitely suits you.
Watch. I'm gonna come through. I'm gonna come through and get him.
If you had a hoodie or something
Okay.
this motherfucker ain't going.
Damn, the light is green.
Fucker. Just rammed him
Why?
off the city.
I mean, he probably looked at his rear view and got scared.
Yeah, he better have fucking went.
So yeah, guys, I got this wind up face.
Is
And,
is that what it's called? The wind up
the
face?
wind up face. And I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna walk around with her with this face. Stay tuned. So yo, man, don't even get me wrong, but I had to come through with the mouthpiece too. I had to come through with the dentures. Dentures. The dentures. Oh shit. Shit just fell out of the box. Yo, put on these dentures real
You're
quick.
gonna make somebody crash.
Okay.
You
What's
look like
wrong?
fucking Ratatouille.
I'm putting on my dentures real quick. They looking at me?
They're looking.
Hold on. What about this one? This one's probably better.
Why doesn't that move by itself?
Good God.
Where's the Where's the thing?
I don't even know. And I'm getting reactions. I'm in the store. Told you. The lady was laughing. The lady was laughing.
She was laughing.
Check this out. They got all these little chocolate dip things. What else tools are you looking for? Huh?
These are for like watercolors, like watercolor.
What are the tools? Are you missing a whole lot? Are you missing a whole lot?
Look at all these flavors. Holy hell.
Flip this thing. Flip this camera. I just can't switch it.
I'm like in freaking cupcakery, bakery heaven. Look, these aren't these cute? They hold the tips on. I need to definitely get.
Should open up a shop. Dessert shop.
Man, I would love to. I would love to, but money doesn't work. What is this? These are like kits. Wilting kits. Oh my god, look for the painting. So now
How would you paint? Like you just
Just
so
paint
you
the
paint the
cake.
font like the cake, the fondant, or just the cake?
Yeah.
That's cool. Look, they got more of the. They have more of these chocolate trays too. You really don't like these candy melts for real? You really don't like these candy melts? They're not a good look.
Well, I mean, everybody say they work really good, but I honestly like the real tasting
The Hershey, the Hershey's.
What's this one called?
Actually, that brand is actually a good brand. I've
This
tasted
one?
chocolate before. Yeah,
Yeah. Look at this
Pretty
is
good.
a spoon to make like the drizzle
that's
look.
cool.
Alright.
Say what?
Where are you gonna be at tomorrow? Milford or Dover?
I'm going to be down at Dover, maybe. If not that, then probably Woodbridge, because that problem's not fixed yet.
Why not? Jim may come help you?
And they gave me that goose chase today.
Dang, too bad the Amish.
They got me going on that goose chase today. Lido's Pizza, for real.
Yeah, I love that shit. Like that crispy
I'm gonna
thins.
chill right here, though.
Huh?
I'm gonna chill right here.
Why?
Gonna go call the kids. Check on them, make sure they're good.
We gotta go inside. We're gonna have a beer.
For real? Should I go in like this?
No.
Why? Why not?
Suit yourself, babe.
Yo, for real?
What are you doing, weirdo? Hold on. Let me take a picture. Oh my god, we're at fucking Michael's right now. This dude. That's all he's good at right here. Shit. Is it raining? It's raining.
It is?
God. We didn't bring no damn umbrella. Look at all the stuff at Michael's, guys. fuck you. There's nobody there, you asshole. Oh my god, look at... Oh my god, guys, isn't this the cutest stuff? I don't know about you, but I love, like, country things. And I'm ready for Thanksgiving already. But these are so cute. Oh, look at it. How about these? Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, look at this cute little owl. How much is this? How much is this?